You want to launch an AI newsletter, but you do not know where to start. Today, I show you exactly how, step by step. No fluff, just the system that works in 2026. Welcome back to AI with Zulfi. This is part 8 of our Earn with AI newsletter series. In part 1 through 7, we covered strategy, writing, growth, and monetization. Today, we cover the one thing everyone asks: how do I actually launch? Today, I answer that. Let me start with the platform. Use Beehiiv. Why? Because it is built for creators. It has everything you need in one place: writing, publishing, growth, monetization, analytics. Do not use email providers. Do not use complicated tools. Use Beehiiv. Step 1. Sign up. Go to beehiiv.io. Create your account. Free tier lets you start. You pay nothing until you have subscribers paying you. This is the first advantage: zero risk. Step 2. Name your newsletter. Pick a name that describes what you teach. Not cute, not clever, clear. Examples: AI with Zulfi, AI for professionals, business automation. These names tell people instantly what they get. Your name should do the same. Step 3. Write your tagline. One sentence. What does your newsletter teach? AI skills for working professionals. Newsletter writing in 2026. Business automation without coding. Your tagline appears on every email. Make it clear. Step 4. Customize your branding. Upload your logo. Pick your colors. Write your welcome email. The welcome email is critical. New subscribers see this first. Make it personal. Make it clear. Make it inviting. Step 5. Write your first newsletter. Use Claude to draft. Spend 2 hours maximum. Do not overthink it. Your first newsletter does not need to be perfect. It needs to exist. Write about something you know, something you have learned, something your audience wants. Step 6. Set up your growth page. Beehiiv has a subscribe page built in. Customize it. Add your tagline. Add your welcome email preview. Add social proof if you have testimonials. Make it compelling. Step 7. Promote your newsletter. Share the link on LinkedIn. Share on Facebook. Share on WhatsApp. Email people you know. Ask your YouTube subscribers to join. Growth comes from distribution, not from waiting. Step 8. Publish weekly on schedule. Pick one day, every week. Sunday at 9 a.m. works for me. Consistency builds habit. Subscribers expect you every Sunday. Deliver. Step 9. Grow to 50 subscribers. This takes 2 to 3 months. Share everywhere. Ask your YouTube audience. Exchange newsletters with other creators. 50 subscribers is your first milestone. Step 10. Launch paid tier. At 50 subscribers, create a paid tier. $20 per month. Offer exclusive content. Offer access to you. 50 subscribers times $20 equals $1,000 per month. Now let me tell you the real insight. Launching a newsletter is not about perfection. It is about starting. Your first newsletter will be imperfect. That is fine. Your second will be better. Your 10th will be great. Most people never launch because they wait for perfect. Perfect never comes. Launch imperfect. Improve weekly. Here is your action plan for this week. First, go to Beehiiv. Sign up. Choose your newsletter name. Second, write your first newsletter. 2 hours maximum. Third, customize your subscribe page. Fourth, share your newsletter link everywhere. Fifth, commit to publishing weekly. By the end of this week, you will have launched. By the end of this month, you will have 10 subscribers. By the end of this quarter, you will have 50 subscribers. By the end of this year, you could have 1,000 subscribers. I am Zulfi, 30 years in tech. I launched my newsletter with 0 subscribers and 0 experience. Today it grows every week. If I can do it, you absolutely can too. See you in the next one.